what is this FDA and what is its history? And
Yes,
from
yes,
there, we're going
absolutely.
to start the webinar.
Yes, yes, great. Yeah. So first of all, thank you to Qualysec for hosting this webinar. Very happy to be here. Pavitra, to your question, FDA stands for the Food and Drug Administration, right? It's a key regulatory agency of the U.S. federal government, and it regulates the sale of food and pharmaceutical devices, products and devices in the U.S. So it's responsible for ensuring safety and effectiveness of drugs, biologics, medical devices, and cosmetics through the enforcement of rigorous regulations that have been developed over time, and also ensuring compliance to various internationally recognized medical device standards.
Okay. Why do this medical device need FDA 510K compliance?
Yes, yeah. So, good question. I think, so just fundamentally, in order to market a medical device in the United States, authorization from FDA is required. It's mandatory. So if it is a medical device, you need to have some form of FDA authorization to market that device in the US. So depending on the nature of the device, the 510K pathway may be the appropriate pathway to obtain the regulatory authorization. But other devices can follow different pathways. This is not the only way. This is one of the ways, and it applies to certain kinds of devices. And compliance with the requirements is essential for manufacturers to be able to demonstrate safety and effectiveness of their product, both to FDA to obtain the regulatory authorizations, but also to the consumers, to patients and physicians, to give them confidence that the devices don't pose unreasonable risks to patients. But specifically to your question, though, ultimately, receiving a 510K clearance is a required and mandatory step before a company can market and distribute their product in the US.
Okay. In short, if we tell that, okay, like it's a pre-market compliance that we have to achieve before we market our product in USA. Am I right?
Exactly. Mhm.
Okay. And I believe this is nowadays very booming, and like FDA has mandated it, and in past 2 3 years, we didn't like listen from our client that okay, this kind of compliance they need a cybersecurity service, but nowadays they need okay, we need it mandatory. Probably you have to like help us in achieving this FDA.